2020 summer months have proven to be different than expected. But as we continue to remain confined to our homes, let's explore some of the best heritage sites across the world just a click away from exploring. Head to visualankor.com to visit ancient Angkor settlements. Ride a boat down the canals and marvel at the Angkor Wat temple. Visit this virtual life of Angkor, which is created by historians. Head to Rajasthan Tourism website for a virtual trip. Walk through Amber Fort or check the JANTAR Sundials. Stand at the White Marble Temple or even play virtual Holi. Virtually explore the Grand Sydney Opera House. Watch the sun rise over the harbour alongside the structure. Watch a live performance inside or climb up the floors. Sightsee over 200 religious Gothic structures from France and the UK. Explore the structures chronologically or in order of construction with map markings as per timeline. Walk through the long alley of ruins and stone pillars. Gaze at the mighty pyramids or visit the tomb of the Queen. Walk between bakers carrying food back in the ancient era. Teleport yourself to a bird's eye view of Machu Picchu. Learn the story behind the tomb construction done by one stone. Or at the tall Tokyo Tower and walk through orange torii gates. Or just stroll past the bamboos of ARASHIYAMA and feel like a dwarf. Well, after all, if you can take a world tour from the comfort of your home, why not, isn't it? Stay safe.